Hey, what's going on, guys? Chill Wheel 704 Racing in the house. The charity event is going on today. Chill Wheel 704. We're representing for Community Specialized Services Incorporated, foster company, man. We're donating this money to. So right now, I'm at the car show. We got the cars, trucks, Jeeps, man. Check it out, real nice. What's candy apple? Would you say candy apple red, maybe? Torch color. Bernie, tell us a little about this car, Bernie.
Well, it's a 1960 Chevrolet Impala. Got a full 9 in it and twin 4 barrels on it, and stainless steel exhaust and everything. And I've always liked the 60 Chevrolet. My brother had one when he was a teenager. I liked it, and I seen the day worked out, and God worked that out so I can get it. So we just go around to different car shows. Been to Myrtle Beach, been to Pigeon Forge, just kind of all around.
That's awesome, man. Hey, I just appreciate you taking time to come out to support this event today. You know, so she's looking good. Keep it clean. I know you keep it clean, so thanks for coming out again. Hey guys, Chill Wheel 704 Racing in the house, man. We're out here at the show today. Last show of the year, man. November the 13th is going down, man. Look at that. Look at it, baby. Yes, sir. Tell us about the car. What we got?
It's Chevrolet. Had it about 8 years. I changed the motor, put an LS in it. 4-speed automatic.
LS, you heard that? Change the motor. LS in there.
With a 4-speed automatic. And it's wicked.
I like how you said that. Say it's quick.
It's quick.
Okay, quickly. Hey man, hey, hope you guys, man, hey, be sure to, go to my channel and check me out, man. Subscribe, like, be sure to share, man. Chill with 704 Racing, man. Y'all stay tuned. This is the last show of the year, 2021. 22's coming up. I got big things planned. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.